Hello everyone, my name is Manikandan. I am studying B.Pharm Secondary in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science. Today we are going to see one of the five pillars activity, that is CLT, that means Center for Learning and Teaching, in the topic of heat transfer in the subject of pharmaceutical engineering. First, we are going to see about what is mean in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a theory and development of a computer system that can perform tasks that normally requires a human intelligence. Artificial intelligence of heat transfer, that the performance evolution of a counterflow heat exchanger is complex because of the unsteady and non-linear nature of its operating condition. An efficient neural network based tool was developed for estimation of outlet temperature of working fluid from such heat exchanger. For this purpose, a series of repeated experiments were conducted and compared with the generalized regression neural network modeling. GRNN architecture proposed in this theory consists of the four input, that is the cold fluid flow rate and cold fluid inlet temperature, hot fluid flow rate and hot fluid inlet temperature, and two outputs, that is the cold fluid outlet temperature and hot fluid outlet temperature. Such GRNN architecture was trained, tested and validated with a real-time experiment data and set. The overall accuracy of the proposed GRNN model in predicting the output are 98.50% and 96.46%. The heat transfer. In the introduction of heat transfer, we are going to talk about the objective and application, mechanism of heat transfer, and the Fourier's law. First we are going to see about what is mean the heat transfer. Heat transfer is nothing but it is a physical process involving the transfer of heat from hot place to the cold place. The heat transfer occurs due to the temperature difference, that is the driving force between the point where the heat is received and where the heat is originated. The heat always tends to flow from the point of high temperature to the point of low temperature. When we place the pan in the burner, the heat is transferred from the first layer of the heat is transferred from the atoms of the first layer to the next layer and then passed through the transferred through the next layer. In the same way, the heat is transferred through the pan to the part of the handle. The objective of the heat transfer is transferred through the medium of solid and liquid, and it may be also transferred through the surrounding air. In the evaporation, it is the process in which the liquid transfers into gas through the heater. The distillation is the process, nothing but separating a compound of mixture based on the different boiling point. Drying, it is the removal of water and another solvent by the evaporation. Sterilization is nothing but it is a process of removal or killing of bacteria, all the microorganisms such as bacteria and virus, etc. Mechanism of the heat transfer. It involves in the three processes, that is the conduction, convection, and the radiation. First we are looking for the conduction. In this heat transfer in the solid series. It is the heat transfer in a solid in series. It may be through the fluid, but fluid should be in the stationary. In the particle are directly connected with each other and heat transfers through one by one. It depends upon the temperature gradient because heat transfers through high temperature to the low temperature. Now when we provide the heat at one end of the substance, the end particles of that end vibrate vigorously and they collide neighboring and transfer the energies. This process should be continuous until the last end of particle should absorb heat. Now we are going to see what is it mean the convection. Convection is the transfer of heat through the movement of liquid, in which the initial position particle absorb heat turns displays with the final position particle. It is also mode of heat transfer which occur mostly in liquid and gases. In this, method heat transfer takes place with the actual motion of matter from one place within a body to the another. For example, which hot water at the bottom becomes lighter and move upward, forcing the cold water and thence the water at the top to come down and thus heated up. Now we are going to see the what means the radiation. It is another form of heat transfer. It doesn't require any medium and it can be used for transfer of heat in a vacuum as well as this method used electromagnetic waves which transfer heat from one place to another. For example, burning of candle and hot bricks emits the radiation in the form of the heat and light. Next, we are going to see about what is mean the Fourier's law. Fourier's law is this law states that the rate of heat flow through a uniform material is proportional to the area and temperature different, while it is inversely proportional to the length of path of the flow. That is Q equal to minus K del T. Q is the local heat flux density and K is the material conductivity. Then the del T is the temperature gradient. The difference form of the Fourier's law of thermal conductivity shows that the local heat flux different form of the Fourier's law of thermal conductivity shows that the local heat flux density is equal to the product of the thermal conductivity and the negative local temperature gradient. The heat flux density is the amount of heat energy that flows through the unit area per unit time. In the integration form, the Fourier's law describes the rate of heat conduction in a solid boundary condition x equal to x1, t1 equal to t, x equal to x2, t equal to t2. Separating the variables, integration of x1 to the x. Fourier's law derivation. The rate of heat conduction is directly proportional to the area and the temperature of the different. QCOND equal to Ka into T1 minus T2 or del X equal to minus Ka del T. The three-dimensional form of the Fourier's law is given as the Q equal to minus K del T. I refer from the book of Pharmaceutical Engineering by the Jeevan Jyoti and Heat Transfer by Frank Crick and Raj M. Mankit. The Pharmaceutical Engineering by Dr. on the website https issues.com from Abhijit Dinat. Thank you.